Welcome, dear viewers, to the realm of the colossal and the cavernous. As we embark on this journey, brace yourselves as we plunge into the deepest, darkest, most monumental holes history has ever known. Now let's take a moment on the concept of a hole, a void, an abyss. It's as simple as it is profound. These aren't merely empty spaces. They're the result of natural or human forces. As we transition to our first point, let's appreciate these forces carving out the earth, shaping landscapes, and leaving behind mysteries to be explored. Next, we shift our attention to the hollows created by the relentless erosion of water, moving on to the vast chasms formed by catastrophic events. These holes, as we'll soon realize, are a testament to the power of nature. They serve as a constant reminder of our planet's dynamic character that is ever-changing, ever-evolving. In our journey through history, you'll find them serving as wellsprings of resources, hideaways, even revered as gateways to the underworld in some cultures. As we progress further, we'll discover their ability to spark wonder, fear, and curiosity. Delving deeper, we'll find that they've inspired countless tales and legends, and even to this day, they continue to captivate us with their enigmatic allure. Now, as we reach the threshold of our expedition, prepare to dive deep. Together, we'll journey through time and space to uncover the mysteries of the biggest holes in history. Starting our journey, we are transported back to biblical times, to the Well of Jacob. This tangible testament to history, a deep rock-cut well, lies nestled in Nablus, a city in the West Bank. We delve into its origin. We find it steeped in the annals of biblical narratives, with the belief that it was dug by none other than Jacob, an impactful figure in the Old Testament. Moving on to its biblical significance, the well is said to be the very stage where Jesus, during his journey, encountered the Samaritan woman and delivered one of his most profound teachings. Despite the relentless test of time and the encroachment of modernity, this ancient well stands strong, echoing tales of days bygone. Venturing deeper, we find out it extends approximately 40 meters into the Earth's crust, symbolizing its deep-seated historical and religious significance. Finally, as we consider profound historical roots, we realize the Well of Jacob presents us with a fascinating starting point in our exploration of historic holes. Beginning our journey in the 20th century, we land in the icy expanse of Siberia, home to a natural spectacle, massive sinkholes. However, these gaping chasms didn't make their grand entrance overnight. Transitioning into the cause, they are the manifestation of a sophisticated interplay of geological processes, which is further amplified by the relentless march of climate change. The Siberian sinkholes, some as wide as a football field and deeper than a 10-story building, are truly a sight to behold. Shifting our attention to the darker side, beneath their awe-inspiring presence lies a disquieting reality. The formation of these sinkholes releases vast amounts of methane, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. This not only impacts the local environment but also escalates global warming significantly. Moving towards the conclusion, the Siberian sinkholes serve as a stark symbol of the raw power of nature and the unintended consequences of human activity. In this icy wilderness, the earth opens up to reveal a chilling testament of our times. So here we are, at the end of our journey, staring into the Siberian sinkholes, a chilling reminder of the omnipotent nature and the pervasive impact of human activity. Let's embark on a journey now, which takes us to the heart of Guatemala City. It was here, back in 2010, that a sinkhole dramatically swallowed an entire 3-story building. Just if you will, the ground beneath you suddenly giving way, unexpectedly plunging you into an abyss 60 feet deep. This was the chilling reality the residents of Guatemala City had to face. As we delve deeper into this incident, it's important to understand that this was not the result of an earthquake or a natural disaster. Rather, it was a sinkhole. A fascinating yet frightful geological phenomenon that occurs when the ground under the surface collapses. In examining the occurrence in Guatemala City, it was found that a unique combination of factors played a part. The city is built on volcanic deposits, which are highly susceptible to erosion, and an outdated and leaking sewer system further compounded the problem. Transitioning to the aftermath of the incident, the sinkhole had an immense impact, displacing thousands of residents and causing damages in the order of millions. The city, learning from this catastrophe, took measures to improve its infrastructure and prevent the recurrence of future sinkholes. In wrapping up our journey, we land at important takeaway. The Guatemala City sinkhole serves as a stark and powerful reminder of the delicate balance that exists between urban development and the relentless forces of nature. Starting off with the ancient biblical well and moving on to the awe-inspiring modern-day sinkholes, our expedition through the biggest holes in history has been totally extraordinary. As we transition from one remarkable site to another, it becomes evident how these gaping chasms, both natural and man-made, have shaped our world in ways we can barely begin to comprehend. Shifting our focus to megastructures like the Great Unseen Abyss, the Biblical Well, the Siberian and Guatemala City sinkholes, we can see each one as a testament to the relentless forces of nature and mankind's ceaseless curiosity. They've swallowed cities, changed landscapes, and even redefined our understanding of the earth beneath our feet. Each of these wonders tells a unique story, a narrative etched in layers of rock and sediment, eagerly waiting for the curious mind to unravel. As we move towards the conclusion of our exploration, we understand that delving into these enormous holes isn't just about understanding the past. It's a step towards pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, standing on the precipice of the unknown and daring to go further. Finally, as we wrap up, if you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a chance to stay curious, stay adventurous, and join us as we continue to explore the endlessly fascinating tales that history has to offer.